How to fix Claude when it gets stuck in thinking loops? In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple ways to get Claude back on track. First, look at your current prompt and make the task smaller. Instead of giving Claude a large, vague request, break it into one specific goal per message. For example, instead of saying, "Make this better," tell Claude exactly what you want, such as, "Fix this specific error and don't change anything else." You should also provide clear success criteria so Claude knows exactly when the task is complete. If Claude is already stuck, try starting a new chat to reset the context. Long conversations can contain a lot of previous information and instructions, which can sometimes make it harder for the model to focus. Another option is to ask Claude to summarize the conversation so far in a few bullet points, then continue using only that summary. For complex coding tasks, try using a plan then execute workflow. If you're using an editor such as Cursor or Claude Code, use a planning or read-only mode first. Ask the model to create a plan, review it, and then only allow it to make changes. If you notice Claude repeating the same failed approach, interrupt it immediately. Tell it that it's repeating the same approach and ask it to propose a completely different strategy. You can also add an escape instruction to your prompt. For example, tell Claude that if it repeats the same approach more than twice, it should stop and ask for clarification or suggest a different strategy. If your setup includes extended thinking or a thinking budget, consider reducing it for simple tasks. This can make responses faster, although you may lose some of the additional reasoning and checking. Finally, review your attached files and instructions. Remove anything that isn't necessary. Too many documents, large rule sets, or conflicting instructions can make it harder for the model to determine what it should prioritize. Keep your prompts, files, and rules focused on the task at hand. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful AI tutorials.